Okay, you ready to move this thing? Oh, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we're working on Blondie again.
Yeah, she has a name, not move this thing, move Blondie.
Okay, we gotta move Blondie onto the hoist.
Be nice. You know she's very heavy.
Okay, we gotta straighten her out now. Hold it a second.
Whoa! I'm standing on the hoist, don't wax my engine. I got that in, but now she's gonna have to back up.
Yeah, a little bit. Up there.
Yeah, because I can get the rear in now too.
Yep.
Is that high enough for you? It's high enough for me, but is it high enough for you?
Yeah, it'll work for me because I have to reach up and over the box and everything else.
Okay. It's just because I'm short, guys.
This is centered.
Right.
Like that.
There.
There we go. Okay, go ahead and go up.
Don't drop it on me.
It won't drop now. Okay, that's good. Now, we gotta take this out.
Okay.
So take this out.
Don't take that off yet.
Why?
I don't want dirt in that.
Oh, it'll be fine. It's still got the plastic bag in there. We have
Okay.
to take this off and take your plastic bag out. We have to take these out to get your plastic bag out.
Oh, okay. I can do that. It hasn't fallen yet on me, so. Easy.
There we go. Take your plastic bag out.
Does that need a gasket?
Well, there's an O-ring on here, and presumably the O-ring is good.
Can we check it?
Yeah, we better check it.
All right.
Now you bolt that back on.
This way?
No, the other way.
This way.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, you got them all tight?
I think so. You want to check for me?
Oh, if you get tight with the wrench, they're tight. Okay.
All tight. Oh, there we go. Okay. Careful.
Gasket on there. Okay, now I gotta put Loctite on and get our bolts in. If it's lined up, let's take this out.
And what does this do?
Well, that's the transmission mount. And that holds the back of the transmission. It's a rubber mount like the engine mounts, so it allows for some movement under torque. So we have to take this off. Yeah, I know. All right, let's slide this under there.
Here's not a dumb question. Does this need to be greased or that greased?
Nope.
Okay, nothing needs to be greased. This side, too close. I think you may have to cut this off.
Yeah, we might have to. Well, we can go over a little bit more. It isn't quite centered. How about there? We might make it.
Too close, too close. Okay. Your armor.
Yeah, we gotta tip it. It is on.
So it gets locked nut in a washer.
Yep. And this can come out. Where'd you put the other nuts?
In my pocket.
Oh. Well, I'd put some on for you, but...
You want some nuts and washers?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, that's in my way. Oh,
Well,
I like it.
Yeah, there it is. There's our doubler and transfer case.
So, what's next?
Well, I have to build a cross member to hold that mount.
Oh.
We got to make sure we clear the front drive shaft. Got to make sure we leave enough clearance for the front drive shaft. We have to be this low, at least in the center.
Okay. So you're thinking at an angle?
Yeah, I'm thinking coming off of here, dropping down, going across, and then up, and then over to here.
Okay. So my next question is how are you gonna mount this?
So that kind of gets mounted the way it is. It's just this doesn't line up. So what I have to do is I have to come off of here with an angle bracket over to here and drill holes, put rubber mounts in. But I think we can make it work.
Okay, guys, you got a hole here and then the second hole's right here.
Yep.
So like
I know.
So okay.
And the hard part's going to be the linkage. We don't have a lot of room here between the existing floor and this one's tucked up behind because it's designed for a cable shifter that comes from the back. I would rather put linkage in. So that's going to take some work.
Okay.
But that looks like a tomorrow project. It's getting late. It's dark out.
Yeah, and I'm hungry.
Okay. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.